It is important to keep your mill spouts clean. Build-ups and blockages are bad news, whether the cause is flower moths, beetles, bacteria, or humidity. Dirty and constricted spouts cause production and quality to suffer, so when it happens, you know it has to be fixed quickly, but thoroughly. Until now, the only choice was an arsenal of chemicals, wire rods, pull-through brushes, and rubber hammers, which never really do the job properly, and you are left with battered, dented spouts that are only partially clean. Thanks to research and development based on years of experience supplying cleaning solutions to the milling industry, that's now all changed. The Rotaflex cleaning system has been designed to be portable, tough, versatile, and above all, fast and effective to bring your mill quickly back to full operating capacity and efficiency. Simple to use by a single operator and robustly constructed, Rotaflex powers quickly and safely through build-ups and blockages, leaving the spouts clean and clear once more. The Rotaflex cleaning system is based around a rugged and powerful three-phase motor on a solid metal chassis. This not only ensures tremendous reliability and long service life, but also keeps the drive unit firmly in position while in use. Internal electronics are robust and well proven, so you can be confident your machine will give you many years of faithful service. Both 110-volt and 230-volt Rotaflex machines are available, and the steel flexible drive is of the highest specification, with an outer casing which boasts a food-grade coating.
Hello, my name's Andrew Thane. I'm the head miller at Chelmer Mills. The benefits as I see them, to start off, is the highly mobile unit, which means we can carry it up and down the stairs with ease. It has a long enough cleaning system to reach down all our spouting, and the biggest benefit is the fact that the millers can use it, which means that I don't have to have a team come on site specially to do spout work. Thus we'd make a significant saving. So the one that we use quite often is the descaler. What that's capable of doing is knocking off what we call hard bake off the spouts. The colour-coded brushes that we use on site are extremely good for loosening flour, etc. And then if we have any spouts that build up with product, there's a nylon tool that you can use to knock that off with as well. So the traditional spout cleaning method that we would have used would have been a weight on a string, which would be attached to a brush. The old-fashioned practice of using a mallet, if the miller decides to hit the spouting, it will dent the spout. One of the disadvantages of that, as well as looking unsightly, is that that will actually give a physical dead space of where the flour can build up. Using rubber mallets and pull-throughs at marriages are now considered unnecessary. I would recommend it to other milling friends or colleagues. It's not an expensive product. I like the fact it's got variable speed on it, and the real benefit to it is that it can be used on site any time.